Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PropStream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a property report PDF in PropStream? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a property report PDF in PropStream anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, sometimes you get properties under contract and you're building out a file that cash buyers can go through to see if they want to take over your contract. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropStream dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PropStream account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a property report PDF, first you're going to go ahead and type in the address here at the top. Right, once you type in the address, you're going to see some basic information pop up about the property here on the right, but you want to click on the property address here in turquoise. Okay, once you do that, in order to create a PDF property report, click on this print button here on the top right. Okay, quick second later, the property report PDF opens up. So you can see this report automatically includes quite a bit of information: estimated equity, estimated value, any kind of mortgages or liens on the property, and it even pulls up comparables and a map of the local area. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a property report PDF in your PropStream account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.